Everyone feels anxious now and then. It's a normal emotion. For example, you may feel nervous when faced with problem at work, before taking a test, or making an important decision. Anxiety disorders are different though. They are mental illnesses, and the distress they cause may keep you away from carrying out your normal, casual life. People who suffer from anxiety are always on the lookout for how to stop this discomfort. One approach that works like wonders is nothing but to avoid the triggers. So, today we'll look out for some triggers and how to manage them. So, the first point is constant complaint. No one's life is perfect, nor can it be, how much ever you try. When you keep complaining, you stop seeing things which are going right. When you want to take your growth to the next level, accept the situation you are in and try to find out what's there to live with, like, or avoid. Second point is distract yourself. There are times when sadness just hits you out of nowhere and for no reason at all. During this time, distraction can help you deal with it a lot. Things which you can use for distraction are puzzles, dancing, listening to music, but these are all temporary fix. There are still many triggers which you have to handle. Learning anything creative. Creativity reduces your anxiety significantly. So please try to learn something creative like playing an instrument or any DIYs. You can take help of Google or YouTube, which are a good source of teaching anything new. Fourth is to know that it's okay to feel anxious. Don't be one of those who feel that they are broken or less because they are dealing with anxiety. You need to understand that everyone cannot be happy all the time. So when you're feeling anxious, when you're feeling uncomfortable, take rest, relax, and let time fix the rest. Avoid overthinking. Ask yourself, when was the last time when your overthinking helped you solve your problem? When you're feeling stressed out, practice mindfulness technique like journaling and talk to your friend. Remember, always tell yourself that you can get through it and you are not alone. Lastly, would like to end with a nice quote by Martin Luther King. You don't have to watch the full staircase, just take the first step. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive.